What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm buying more QYLD. I've done a lot of videos on these guys. They are one of the best covered call ETFs, in my honest opinion. QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. I keep on buying more for my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I'm going to explain to you why I keep on buying these guys. Everybody keeps on asking me, do another video on QYLD. Explain to me a few things. How is QYLD versus Vanguard BND? I don't mind doing that. I'm going to do this video for you guys. I'm going to do a quick dividend stock analysis. I'm going to show you the dividend history of QYLD. And I'm going to compare QYLD versus Vanguard Bond BND. Let's check this out right now. Now, again, this is a NASDAQ 100 covered call ETF. This focuses on a monthly dividend income. So this is mostly income. This is not going to beat the S&P. I'm just telling you right now. This follows covered call options. This does the easy job for me. I'm going to go over the expense ratio with these guys and a little bit of their portfolio. So we need to check these guys out with their nitty and gritty. So let's check these guys out real quick. The Morningstar lists them as a 4-star rating. It's not bad. The Global X Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF follows a covered call or buy right strategy in which the fund buys stocks in the Nasdaq 100 index and writes or sells corresponding call options on the same index. So, does the job pretty much for me. The Global X Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF seeks to provide investment results that correspond generally to the price and yield performance before fees and expenses to the CBOE Nasdaq 100 Buy Right V2 index. The expense ratio is 0.60%, the monthly distribution. So this is what I like about these guys. They're 4-star rated, which is not bad. Their distribution yield, their 12-month trailing yield is 11.97. The distribution yield is 9.90. It's monthly. So, these guys, basically, they write call options on the NASDAQ 100 index, saving investors of the time and potential of expense in doing so individually. I don't have time to do cover call options. I mean, I'm very busy and stuff. They have 102 holdings. The net asset value is 2308. These monthly distributions are phenomenal. And I'm going to show you their dividend interest history in a second. But here's the thing, too. The high income potential. QYLD seeks to generate income through cover call writing, which historically produces higher yields in periods of volatility. So let me just show you something real quick with their dividend history. Let's just start with 2017. So you got right around 13 cents is the worst one that I've seen with their yield to usually a 20. I think they're going to announce 19 cents this time around, but 22, 23, 21 cents. Pretty consistent with their dividend yield. It's a 9.76 yield. Annual dividend is 225 right now. And this is a monthly dividend stock. So if you have an M1 Finance portfolio, you can throw this in instead of BND, in Vanguard Bond. And I'm going to show you why and explain to you why. So let's check out Vanguard Bond real quick, or Bond ETF. And again, this stock has not, the total bond market index fund ETF is not going to beat the S&P. It's just a fun market. It's total bonds. It's a big index fund. It was founded in December 11th, 1986. We need to look into the nitty and gritty. What is their dividend history? What is their expense ratio? So that's one thing that we need to look into. So the first thing, this fund's investment objective is to seek track the performance of a broad market-weighted bond index. The fund generally provides broad exposure to the taxable investment-grade U.S. dollar-denominated bond market, excluding inflation protected and tax-exempted bonds. The expense ratio is 0.035%, varying low risk potential. They offer a relatively high potential of investment income. Share values tend to rise and fall modestly, may be more appropriate for medium or long-term goals where you're looking for a reliable income stream. It is appropriate for diversifying the risks of stocks in a portfolio. So here's the thing with their dividend history, which I'll show you. This is $86.26. Dividend yield of 1.88%. Annual dividend $1.62. Just for one, you're getting what? 17 15, 16, 19, 13. Not very attractive for $86.26 is a monthly dividend stock. So this is why I like QYLD a lot better. I think QYLD is much better as a income ETF. Now this is one, if you want to be real conservative and throw it in, you start changing things around with your portfolio, sure, put it in the total bond market ETF. But I like income. I like monthly dividends. I love, I don't even see these guys cracking 23 cents, 22 cents, and the dividend yield is not that attractive for me. So that's why I like QYLD, and that's why I put QYLD in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Now, if I had a Roth or traditional IRA with an M1 Finance dividend portfolio, I would absolutely put QYLD instead of bond because, oh my gosh, look at those dividends start flowing through. Or, what's another one that's LQD? Like, forget that. You got a covered call ETF that's really buying, that has an opportunity to buy more things. So, like if you had in your fractional share portfolio QYLD and VOO or VTI, and you have all these shares, you're like 50-50. Imagine how much you could buy with VOO or VTI if you just keep on throwing money in, throwing money in, throwing money in, and then this just keeps on buying to the other side. So that's one thing that's very attractive with QYLD, and I really like QYLD way better than Vanguard Bond. So I just want to do a quick brief video. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. I will post a video of 5 hot dividend stocks to buy tomorrow. You bet your butt I'm going to be doing those this week because I do not have exams, and I'm very excited to post these videos for you guys. So again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. You guys have a good one.